Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Sony Bravia TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Begin by turning on your Sony Bravia TV. Once your TV is powered on, navigate to the home screen. Locate the Google Play Store on your TV. Use the remote to select the Google Play Store icon. In the Play Store, use the search function. Type Paramount Plus into the search bar. Select the Paramount Plus app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, return to the home screen. Find and open the Paramount Plus app. You will see the option to sign in or activate. Select the Sign In option. A unique activation code will appear on your screen. Next, grab a computer or smartphone. Open a web browser on your device. Go to the activation website at paramountplus.com/activate. Enter the activation code from your TV. Follow any additional prompts as instructed on the website. Once confirmed, the app on your TV will refresh. You should now be logged into your Paramount Plus account. Enjoy streaming your favorite content on Paramount Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.